In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to safeguard your data and lock columns in Monday.com in just 5 minutes. If you're managing projects and data on Monday.com, ensuring that sensitive information is secure is crucial, and I'm here to walk you through it every step of the way. First, head over to Monday.com using your web browser. Typically, you would see the main homepage. But don't worry if it looks a little different, as updates happen frequently. Once you're on the homepage, you'll spot the login button. Click on it to start accessing your account. If you've signed up with Google, which is quite common these days for its convenience, click on the Google option and select your preferred Google account. This will lead you to your workspace where all your boards are neatly arranged. Now let's go to your board where the magic happens. Locate the board you need by browsing through your list or using the search feature if you've got tons of them. Once you find your board, click on it to open up the detailed view of all your columns and tasks. Next, you'll need to single out the column you want to work with. It's straightforward. Just click on the column header to ensure it's highlighted and selected as your focus. The column header is like your command center for everything you want to do next. After selecting your column, spot the three dots located usually on the top right or in the Options tab of the column. Clicking on these three dots will pull up a drop-down menu. This menu is your gateway to various settings and options for the column you're working with. Look for the option labeled Settings in this drop-down menu. Clicking on this will open up another set of options specific to your column. Here is where you can adjust various settings to tailor how your data in this column is handled. One crucial setting we're interested in today is Restrict Column View. This option is a security feature that lets you control who can view or edit the data in a particular column. By clicking on Restrict Column View, you enable a setting that helps keep your sensitive information secure by ensuring only selected team members have access. This is incredibly useful in maintaining confidentiality and ensuring data integrity across your projects. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully safeguarded your data and locked columns in Monday.com. Remember, regular reviews of your settings can further enhance your security measures as your team and projects evolve. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more tips on maximizing your productivity tools.